that was a crow that just flew by. I don't know what this guy is. I think it's a finch or a warbler. It's yellow. This is as close as I can get. There's his buddy.